Alright, so this is gonna be the AutoZone setup and eBay. Let's see if Izzy could do it. I'm pretty sure you
What
can.
you mean I could do it, nigga?
I just said it right now. I just said you could do it.
Do I want to do it? Not really, but
He
I
does
could do it.
Yeah. He's saying it's low-key a bitch because he has to do hella welds. 1, 2, like fucking 8 to 10 or something, huh?
10 welds.
10 welds. It's a lot of welding, to be honest.
Oh,
like, that's a good amount, yeah. Maybe a little bit, yeah. But
That's
we'll
cool.
see, we'll see, yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, that's
cool
a good
right
spot right there. Not
That's
too
cool.
long. Just a good one. Yeah. All right. So I'm not gonna record the whole process. Maybe
record it before after the sound clip.
Oh yeah, you're right. So we'll just do it before. It's basically gonna be a muffler and resonator delete, huh?
Yeah.
Because it's not gonna have a resonator. So yeah, that's what's gonna be. Custom exhaust made by Grease Monkey Izzy. You guys already know. But let's do a quick. It's already been ran.
Your bumper's all loose, dog.
I'm gonna have Izzy rev it. Yep. All right, guys. So this is the daily. Izzy's little Honda EG. He painted it matte black. He got some gold rims on it. It looks badass, honestly, gold and black. So yep, it's been manual swapped. In case you guys didn't know. But yeah, just a little quick update on his daily. And he put some side skirt, cut the rear bumper, and he took off the front bumper too. But I think he's gonna put that back on. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
That shit sounds mean,
It's deep.
yeah. But a little bit better because you put it on the back. Yeah. You can hear it.
Well, take it.
Yeah. Why does it sound a little cam though?
That's probably...
Can't reach the pedal. Hold up. So pretty much it does not connect. Izzy's figuring out a way he's gonna do it where it could get
cuts.
yeah. So it could be angled and go inside into the Y pipe. So
I'll have to make like 3 or 4 of these.
fuck,
Angle them like that, and
So
then
it could
fan
go
it. Then the next one,
slanted
type shit.
type shit. So yeah, just an FYI if anybody wants to do the same thing custom. Sick. I got Izzy, what's it called, hydro brake for the drift build for Christmas. You already know. That should look sick though. Hella squeaky. Yup.
Those dimes, dog. Fucking dimes cut.
Oh shit.
But it's hard to do.
Better
it 'cause
than
I have
that
to-
one?
Because I have to rotate it, you know?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I haven't watered that yet.
Oh, okay.
Just tacked
that
it.
piece. Beautiful though.
Yeah, because there's no gap right there, you know?
Mhm.
But there's a gap, it's kind of hard.
Wait, did you flip
I
it?
laid dimes right here too, look.
Mm-hmm.
Dimes. You can't really see them because they're dirty still,
Yeah.
but they're clean
That
dimes.
one's
Zoom in on that
clean,
bitch. Zoom in, dog. Oh, yeah, cut. Oh, yeah, cut. No, not those.
Easy got it done, and we're gonna do a sound test right after. So this is how it looked like. We got the blast pipes at the end.
Oh, fucking pitudo.
We got it a little tilted, so it's pissing on the Nismo muffler. But fuck it, we got it on. Huh? Is he signed? No. So yeah, we got the blast pipes on. Now he needs to do more welds around every single corner. So yep. See, I'll show you guys how it sounds like right after. And look how the blast pipes do.
Kind of doesn't fit because of his bumper's not big enough, but it still looks hard as fuck.
Baby res, because it's so cold. Baby res. Look, Mikey. Watch, record. I know how to make it pop. Watch.
Alright, get it.
That sounds sick, dude.
Bruh.
That's sick, dude. Hell yeah! Hell yeah!
There's a flame or what?
Nah, I don't think there's flames. That's sick.
Sounds like
fool.
something's melting. All your bumpers melting.
Oh shit.
So you can record these walls right here. Fire! Firme cut.
Clean as fuck.
Put the hanger. Put some hanger. Put the hanger on.
You for sure gonna get all the color. I think you're too low, man.
Oh, I got it. Oh, yeah.
Damn. I'm gonna turn it
Yeah,
on,
yeah,
man.
looks good right there. Put it
Hell
in.
yeah.
It doesn't look all off.
Fuck yeah.
Your hood closed?
It's the bottom of the exhaust one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, huh?
Probably the
That shit just smelling though.
Hey, that just sounds sick right now. Whoa. That shit sounds badass.
It'll be alright.
Alright.
You're gonna scrape like on uneven surfaces, you know?
Yeah.
oh yeah, it is bumpy out here. I'll get you driving away. Damn, Mikey, why are you so loud, bro? Can't sneak out anymore. Yo. Boy's flying.
All right, guys. Show him. We scraped that bitch. Hella. That shit looks deformed already, too.
It was like 5 minutes of driving.
Yeah.
The issue is this bar right here.
It kind of...
Doesn't let it go higher type shit. Cause it's pretty high up. As high as it could go. You know? So we're gonna have to hammer this bitch or something. Or lift up the car. I think we have to lift up the car. No more suelo, Mikey.
Yeah.
Look at the exhaust was warm.